Look, it's hard enough having to have the talk as a parent about the birds and bees with your children, but now we also have to have the talk about the bees and the birds, which gets kind of awkward. And then there's the birds and the birds, and the bees and the bees, and don't forget about the Africanized bees. You have to talk about the birds that used to be bees, and the bees that used to be birds, and the birds that kind of look like bees, and the multicolored bird bees, plus the bees that kind of look like birds, but they somehow still have a stinger. Help me help you.